All the class 7 students of St. Michaels Academy, welcome to online life science class. A very good morning to all the students of class 7. Previously, I have already taught you photosynthesis process. But here, I am telling you photosynthesis process only in a very short form. Definition, reaction, benefit of photosynthesis along with some important definitions, factors and significance. All the things I have discussed over here in a short form. So please go through this slide properly so that it will help you to understand photosynthesis very clearly. What is photosynthesis? Through a process called photosynthesis, plants use energy in sunlight to turn a gas called carbon dioxide and water into sugar. Plants then use this sugar to grow. At the same time, plants produce a gas called oxygen as a waste product, which is lucky for us and other animals because we need oxygen to breathe. And next, I have given the reaction of photosynthesis. You can see 6 molecule of carbon dioxide reacts with 6 molecule of water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Photosynthesis happens to form glucose C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of oxygen gas. In the diagram also you can see that in presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide and water, green leaves can prepare food. That means glucose along with oxygen gas, which helps us to respire. Benefits of photosynthesis. Production of sugar, which is useful for the plants to stay alive and so that you can eat them too. Number 2, for respiration of plants. Number 3, plants produce so much of oxygen that they release it in the environment so that you and I can breathe fairly so easily. Basic requirements of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Without these factors, photosynthesis never happens. Next one is chloroplast. Chloroplast plays an important role in photosynthesis. The organelles are only found in plant cells and some protists such as algae, fungi, etc. Chloroplasts work to convert light energy of the sun into sugars that can be used by cells. So chloroplasts actually help to convert the solar energy into sugar. The entire process is called photosynthesis and it all depends on the little green chlorophyll molecules in each chloroplast. So chlorophyll is a molecule that present within chloroplast and chloroplast present in the green leaves. What does vascular tissue do in plants? The vascular tissues of plants, which are composed of specialized conducting tissues, xylem and phloem, form continuous systems through the plant body and provide transport pathways for water, nutrients and signaling molecules and support the plant body against mechanical stresses. That means through xylem, water and mineral generally has been transported in plant and phloem transport food in case of plant. Now factors which affects photosynthesis. The main factors affecting rate of photosynthesis are light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration and temperature, and to some extent water is also there. Temperature, there is a certain temperature that is 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. At that temperature only photosynthesis occurs. Carbon dioxide concentration. When carbon dioxide concentration increases, rate of photosynthesis also increases. But at more higher carbon dioxide concentration may inhibit photosynthesis process. Now come to light intensity. Same here, light intensity increases, photosynthesis also increases. Rate of photosynthesis also increases. But at much more higher light intensity, photosynthesis never occurs because at that point maybe stomata destroyed. Next one, how does photosynthesis affect the atmosphere? In photosynthesis, plants constantly absorb and release atmospheric gases in a way that creates sugar for food. Carbon dioxide goes in the plant's cells, oxygen comes out. Without sunlight and plants, the earth would become an inhospitable place, unable to support air-breathing animals and people. You can see the diagram. In first diagram, I have shown you xylem and phloem. Xylem, the upper one, and phloem, the lower one. And here, in the next diagram, I have shown you how photosynthesis affects the atmosphere. In presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, green leaf prepare food. That is, this process is called actually photosynthesis, which releases oxygen. And carbon dioxide they have shown here, actually this is not from photosynthesis. Actually, at the time of respiration at night, generally carbon dioxide comes out from green leaves. Here I am discussing some important definition of photosynthesis. First one is, what is stomata? Plants breathe too, but they do it through tiny openings in leaves called stomata, singular stoma. Stomata open and close to allow the intake of carbon dioxide and the release of oxygen. It's very important that they do this because this is the very oxygen that we ourselves need to breathe. So obviously directly they are helping us. You can see the diagram. I have given stomata diagram. See, these are the cells are there. Inner thick cells, epidermal cell, chloroplast also there. In between stomata, outer thin wall, vacuole. These are the vacuole that light blue colored. Guard cells are there. These are actually stomata. What is thylakoid? A thylakoid is a sheet-like membrane bound structure that is the site of the light-dependent photosynthesis reactions in chloroplast and cyanobacteria. It is the site that contains the chlorophyll used to absorb light and use it for biochemical reactions. Now the last one is, what is stroma lamellae? In higher plants, thylakoids are organized into a granum stroma membrane. Grana means, you can see the diagram, grana means this cytoplasmic area and stroma means this one, this one. Chloroplast can have from 10 to 100 grana. So grana are granule-like substance. Grana are connected by stroma, thylakoids. Stoma means which cytoplasmic substance. Also called intergranal thylakoids or lamellae. The stacks of thylakoid, that means these are the packs of thylakoid actually, that is actually the stacks of thylakoid sacs are connected by stroma lamellae. So stroma lamellae actually are the connector. The lamellae act like the skeleton of the chloroplast, keeping all of the sacs a safe distance from each other and maximizing the efficiency of the organelle. Here you can see the disc-like structure. These are actually grana or granum rather. So Stroma lamellae are the connectors-like structure. Okay? Hope you have understood the definition. Significance of photosynthesis. First one, food for all living beings is produced through photosynthesis. Herbivores like zebra, etc. Please see the diagram. Relate it with the diagram. Herbivores like zebra, etc. are solely dependent on plants for their food and energy requirements. After eating, they pass it on further when they are eaten by a carnivore like tiger, lion, etc. So that means carnivore also indirectly depends upon plant body. Second one, the plants represent an important component in an ecosystem. How? Plant makes its own food. That means they are producers. The first trophic level of the food chain. A food chain is a series of processes in which one organism feeds and another and is in turn eaten. That means zebra eaten by lion and zebra eats lots of plant. Now, number 3 point. It is the only natural process that can capture and preserve sunlight as chemical energy. It is also the process by which organic food is synthesized by using inorganic raw materials. That means from carbon dioxide, glucose is produced. Carbon dioxide is inorganic substance, but glucose is organic substance. Number 4. Energies of the sun stored within fossil fuels which are used for our domestic and industrial energy needs. That means energy of the sun that had been captured and preserved in fossil fuels. These fuels are used for our domestic and industrial energy needs. And the last one, the oxygen, last two. The oxygen evolved during photosynthesis is released into the atmosphere. This oxygen is used by animals and plants for cellular respiration. That means we can respire from this oxygen, or rather we can say by this oxygen. So the whole world is impossible without photosynthesis. Here is your homework. First one, define stomata. Second one, what are the significances of photosynthesis? Third one, what is the function of stroma lamellae? Fourth one, what are the benefits of photosynthesis? And the fifth one, how does photosynthesis affect the atmosphere? Thank you. For any doubts and queries, please email me at sudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to mail your regular life science assignments in this given email ID.